So guys, in this video, we'll try to understand what is PFT, that means parameter efficient fine tuning. So see, PFT, just let me write PEFT. So the full form, parameter efficient fine tuning. Okay, fine tuning. So what is parameter efficient fine tuning? So see here, instead of updating all parameter, okay, parameter of LLM models like GPT, then we have LLaMA, okay, then we have Falcon, Mistral. We use PFT technique, PEFT techniques to modify only a small fraction, okay, fraction of the model, making it fine tuning faster, okay, faster uh, and more memory efficient. All right, so guys, I think you got to know what is parameter efficient fine tuning. That means here, instead of updating all the parameters of the large language model, we use some PFT technique. Like we have some library like LoRA and QLoRA. I'll be also discussing about. Actually, it performs something called quantizations, and that's how you can reduce the model parameter, and you can fine tune this at the model, okay, with the memory efficiency and all. So now why to use the parameter efficient fine tuning? Because in our traditional fine tuning, so let me write here, traditional fine tuning. So here we update all parameter, all model parameter, okay, then it requires lots of compute and memory, okay, then uh, not ideal for multiple domains, okay. But whenever we're using our PFT technique, so here we update only a small, okay, small subset of the model, then works with limited compute, then easily support multi tasks, okay, tasks. So yes, these are the like advantage you'll be getting whenever you are using PFT technique. Now in the next video we'll be talking about the PFT and LoRA and QLoRA, okay, how it works exactly. Then I will also show you how we can perform the fine tuning process with the help of this PFT technique. So thank you so much.